Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So basically in this video what happens is that in this video I'm gonna tell you the some tricks about the C and C++ languages. Generally we mostly use the C++ language in competitive programming and anywhere on the online platform, online coding like online coding challenges or anything anywhere. So what happens is that there will be the time complexity and space complexity we have to manage, and so many times the TLE error comes due to the time complexity. So I want to tell you some tricks about the C++ language. How can you reduce the time and your code run your code efficiently? So guys, let's get started. Complexity or a TLE, there are the some tricks in the C++ language which I have used in a daily basis in my online contest or code safe or core forces anywhere on online platform. So what you have to do, firstly put out the starting, okay, in every program put out this header file has included bit slash stdc plus plus dot h header file. These header files, what what operations do these header files? These header files is a combination of all the libraries, okay. These header files face that library functions which you have to need in your program, okay. That's why this header files reduces your time, so you have to use this header file. The second trick in a C++ language, use the printf and scanf instead of a cin or cout, because the cin and cout is an special like iostream.h header file. So cin or cout is very slow functions. That's why the instead of a cin or cout you have to use the printf and scanf, okay. It's very easy, and printf and scanf is very fast, and it helps us to reduces your time in your program and run your code efficiently. So third tricks is that the optimize your code with a different logic. Everyone it's know. Okay. And fourth trick is that you have to enter this iOS based synchronize this statement. Okay. This four number statement you have to include in your program. If you include this statement in your program, this statement reduces your time for input and output functions. Okay. So you have to in every program you have to write this program at the starting of the main function, okay. So fifth trick is that for solving any problem you have to must design an efficient algorithm, okay. You have to design an efficient algorithm, you have to think the logic in a different way. How can I solve this problem in a differently, okay. Sixth trick is that you have to find out the easiest approach so that the computer processor can solve it faster. It's also a same like the fifth trick. So my tips is that you have to find out, firstly you have to optimize your solutions. You have to firstly find out brute force solution of the problem, and after that you have to optimize and apply some tricks and some other data structure and some methods to reduces your time, and select the proper algorithm for it. It's very important, okay. So how can you optimize your code? I explain in a with example, okay, in the next slide. So find the x present in array or not. This is a searching program. You have to find out the x number is present in an array or not. The basically there are the two approaches. First is a linear search and second is a binary search. If you goes with the linear search approach, then you will have to find out the you have to check the every element each time. That's why it's take a log n time complexity. This is a brute force approach. First approach is a brute force. Any number you have to search, then you goes the linearly, check it out every element and like that. This is a brute force, but you have to think differently. How can I solve this problem in a less time? So that's why the solution is the second approach. Second approach is a binary search. The binary, everyone knows the binary search take a log in time, okay. So in that way, just I explain some basic example in that, like that you apply this thinking to every problem, okay. You have to think differently and solve it in easily. It help us you guys for the reducing your time complexity. And about if I say something about the space complexity, So space complexity, I think it's not a very much problem about the space complexity. If you have any problem with them, then comment it below. I will provide you answer, and I will provide you all the things. If you like it, then do subscribe my channel. And if you want to connect with me, then in the description the Telegram link is available. If you have to join the Telegram link, there will be the uploaded regularly content and guidance for you guys about the competitive programming and all these things.